Learn with Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Where are the aliens? From their statistical modeling, the researchers found that the probability of life emerging in the Milky Way is at its peak at a distance of about 13,000 light years from the galactic center, mostly due to the presence of stars like our Sun in the region. In comparison, Earth is 25,000 light years away from the galactic center. The study also determines the ideal time for the civilization to have formed. It says that it is likely that intelligent alien species emerged around 8 billion years after the galaxy formed. On Earth, human civilization took form about 13.5 billion years after the Milky Way formed. Search for alien life has taken human curiosity to far ends of cosmic world. A new study, however, suggests the distance might not be take problem to find such signs. Instead, we might have to go back in time to look for one as it proposes that intelligent alien civilizations in our galaxy might already be dead on the time scale now published to the ArcScape database. A new study conducted by three Caltech physicists and one high school student tries to estimate the emergence and death of intelligent life in the Milky Way galaxy. The study uses modern astronomy and statistical modeling to map these signs across time and space. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications. Highlights.